Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. On today's video we are going to be learning how to create and use labels in Gmail. So if you're a virtual assistant or you just want to organize your Gmail, this video is for you. Please do not forget to subscribe. Thank you. The first thing you need to do is click on settings on the top right hand side. Click on it as shown by the arrow, then click on see all settings. Click on label as shown by the arrow too. Scroll down, click on create new label. Type in the name of your new label. Mine is ALX program, so I'll just type it in real quick. Then click create. Scroll back up and click on filters and blocked addresses. Then click on create a new filter to create your new filter. Where it says has the words, do not forget to type in the name of your new label. For me, it is ALX program. Then click create filter. Further, do not forget to check some boxes. First, apply your label. Click on the drop down arrow to choose the new label you just created to apply it. The next thing is check never send it to spam, so your mail coming to this label don't go to spam. Also check mark as important, so it marks it as important. Then lastly, check apply filter to matching conversations, then click create filter. Now you have created a label and a filter and it's showing on the left hand side of your dashboard. Just hover over it and these three dots will appear. Click on it to choose a color for your filter. I think I prefer orange, so I'll just click on orange. So the color orange is now associated with my new label. So I'll quickly type in ALX in the search bar to see how my new label works. You can see orange, the new color I created for my label. Please do not forget to subscribe and leave a comment. Thank you.